Okay, yeah, it's 11:24. Hang on, my mom just... Okay, I'm back. That would text about group next week or whatever. But I have not gone to group this week. Luke had doctor's appointment at 9 o'clock this morning in Williamston for his surgery that he's having next week. People are looking at me like I'm crazy while I'm talking to my phone, but it's okay. But, I'm on the way back to Grandma's house to make some leftovers for lunch, make some hot chocolate or whatever. And, yeah, so next Thursday, Loopy has surgery. I'm going to spend Wednesday night with Grandma. Go to group on Wednesday, spend Wednesday night with Grandma. Do not go to group on Thursday. Go to group on Friday, because Wednesday we're volunteering at the food bank going in lunch, and Friday we're going to the Painted Peacock, and Thursday's just a game day. But Mama just texted me when I was started recording. She said, you could just pack enough clothes and stay with Grandma until next Friday, and she don't care either way. But honestly, I don't know. Because the voice starts with the week, got a lot of shows to start this week. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. So, yeah. That's an update. It's a rainy day outside. Yeah. Nasty rainy day. Grandma's and Loopy's in a gas station. Grandma had to use the bathroom. And they're getting us some drinks. But we're like 30 minutes away from Grandma's house. So, yeah. That's an update on that. Everything's going good. Up, and there's Grandma and Loopy. So, talk to you guys later. I'm so ready for some cabbage, because I'm hungry.
Are you ready to eat, Lucy, or more later? Well, okay.
You crazy, dude. You are crazy.
Give me one of them green rags so I can clean your counter.
Yeah. Green one, where's the green?
Pink is okay.
Oh, there's the green ones.
And that can of spray. That bottle of spray with up green top. You got it. Now you have to bend over. You.
Okay, guys, it's like 9:42. Grandma is sleeping if you can't hear. Loopy's going to bed. I am awake, but I'm about to go to sleep, I think. So, if you have headphones in, I'm sorry, but I'm whispering and I'm right by the microphone so y'all can hear me. But if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys